How often do you find yourself questioning the healthiness of your diet? This question holds more weight than you might think. With the rise of the wellness culture, our focus on diet and health has reached a feverish pitch. One increasingly popular trend is the consumption of so-called superfoods, those nutrient powerhouses that supposedly pack a serious health punch. From vibrant berries to leafy greens, these foods are hailed as the heroes of the health world. But here's a twist. Not everything that glitters is gold, and not every ingredient in these superfoods is necessarily beneficial. In fact, some might be downright harmful. It's a conundrum, isn't it? The very foods you eat to enhance your health could be harboring ingredients that do just the opposite. So, it's time to unmask these hidden culprits. Let's dive into some of those harmful ingredients that you might find in your so-called superfoods. First on our list, maltodextrin. This common ingredient might sound harmless enough, but don't let its unassuming name fool you. Maltodextrin is a white, starchy powder derived from genetically modified corn. It's frequently used in processed foods, not for its nutritional value, but for its ability to improve texture and increase shelf life. Now let's talk about the potential side effects. Consuming foods with maltodextrin may lead to uncomfortable bloating. It can also alter the lining of your gut, disrupting the delicate balance of bacteria that live there. This disruption can lead to a host of digestive issues, some of which may be long-term, but it doesn't stop there. Maltodextrin may also be a culprit behind brain fog, that frustrating condition of reduced mental clarity and focus. So not only could it be messing with your gut health, but it could also be impairing your cognitive function. Certainly not what you signed up for when reaching for a health-boosting superfood, right? Next up, potassium sorbate. This seemingly innocent ingredient is a popular preservative used to prevent the growth of mold in foods. From your favorite jams to the bottled juices you sip, it's almost everywhere. But here's the catch. It's not as harmless as it might appear. Potassium sorbate has a darker side, one that can potentially harm your immune system. How, you ask? Well, this preservative has been found to damage lymphocytes, those crucial white blood cells in your body that fight off infection and disease. By damaging these cells, potassium sorbate can weaken your immune system, making you more susceptible to illnesses. So, while it might keep your food fresh for longer, it's not doing any favors for your health. It's a hidden threat, lurking in the depths of your food labels, ready to undermine your well-being. So, the next time you see potassium sorbate on a label, think twice. Another ingredient to watch out for is soy lecithin. This seemingly innocent compound is actually a byproduct of soybean oil extraction. It's often used in food production for its emulsifying properties, helping to mix ingredients that typically don't blend well, like oil and water. However, soy lecithin could have some concerning effects on your health. For starters, it can disrupt your digestion. This means it can interfere with the process of breaking down food in your body, leading to discomfort and potentially more serious issues over time. Furthermore, soy lecithin can reduce nutrient absorption. This is particularly concerning because it could mean that even if you're eating a nutrient-rich diet, your body may not be getting all the benefits. Perhaps most alarming is the potential for soy lecithin to stunt growth in children. This isn't a risk we should be willing to take. It's clear that soy lecithin is an ingredient we could all do without. Citric acid and artificial colors may sound harmless, but they're far from it. When you hear citric acid, you might think of a refreshing citrus fruit, but the reality can be far less appetizing. This common additive is often derived from genetically modified mold and corn syrup. While it may seem innocuous, it can lead to some unexpected, unpleasant side effects. Inflammation, bloating, and allergic reactions can all be triggered by citric acid. It's a stealthy saboteur, undermining your health while hiding behind a seemingly benign name. Now turn your attention to artificial colors. They make our food look bright and attractive, but the truth behind these rainbow hues is a lot less appealing. Take yellow 5, for instance. It's a popular colorant used in a wide range of foods, from candies to cereals. However, research suggests that yellow 5 is linked to behavior disorders. That's right, the same ingredient that makes your food look vibrant could also be messing with your mind. But it doesn't stop at behavior disorders. DNA damage and cell mutation are also potential hazards of artificial colors. Imagine that, The substances used to make our foods visually appealing could be causing unseen harm at a cellular level. So, next time you reach for that brightly colored snack or drink, think twice. Remember, these artificial colors and citric acid don't add any nutritional value to your food. What they do add is a risk to your health, a risk that often goes unnoticed until it's too late. It's essential to be vigilant, to question what goes into our food, because while these additives may make our food look and taste better, they're not doing our bodies any favors. It's a colorful risk, but one you don't want to take. Lastly, don't be fooled by the term flavors. Both artificial and natural flavors can be a minefield of hidden chemicals. You might think artificial flavors are the culprits concocted in labs from synthetic compounds, but natural flavors aren't as innocent as they sound either. They too can originate from a lab, albeit from substances extracted from a natural source. The concern here is that both artificial and natural flavors can contain undisclosed substances. These hidden chemicals can lead to a range of health issues, from allergies to digestive discomfort. What's more, they can alter dopamine levels in your brain. That's right, these flavors can mess with your brain's reward system, leading to cravings and overconsumption. So, the next time you see flavors on your food label, remember it's not just about taste, it's about what's hidden beneath that innocuous word. Remember, your health is worth more than a flavor. In conclusion, not all ingredients in your superfoods are your friends. Maltodextrin, often derived from genetically modified corn, can lead to bloating, alterations in your gut lining, and even brain fog. Potassium sorbate, a common preservative, can damage lymphocytes, taking a toll on your immune system. Soy lecithin too has its drawbacks, potentially disrupting digestion, reducing nutrient absorption, and stunting growth in children. Citric acid and artificial colors, seemingly harmless, can cause inflammation, bloating, allergic reactions, behavior disorders, and even DNA damage. And let's not forget artificial and natural flavors, hiding a variety of undisclosed chemicals that may alter dopamine levels and lead to other health issues. So, next time you're shopping for superfoods, don't forget to check the labels. Remember, your health is your greatest asset. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips.